Our curricular adaptation project has as its title Healthy Relationships. It's by Elizabeth Dubberly, Shruti Patel, and Monica Quinones. The original lesson was created by our group member, Monica Quinones, and the link to her lesson is on the left. She was preparing a lesson for 6th grade public school students in Georgia to teach students about boundaries and healthy relationships. She got some of her information from a website called Love is Respect, and it's also linked below. Our objectives for the lesson are that students will identify characteristics of a healthy relationship. They'll understand what various types of healthy relationships can look like. They'll gain awareness about unique cultural norms and perspectives about relationships and social interactions, and be able to effectively resolve conflicts with others and maintain healthy relationships throughout their lives. There were some multicultural challenges to the original lesson. It did not include different cultural perspectives explicitly. It was not linguistically diverse or inclusive. The expectations for interactions between peers were set by the school and followed dominant ideologies, and it lacked creative and multimodal activities. So why did we want to modify this lesson? We thought it would be interesting, using a school counseling perspective, to take a lesson about human interaction that might have some cultural difficulties, and to take this opportunity to seek out and affirm the perspectives of our students and to assure that students consider how people of different cultures might view relationships and expectations in different ways.